In today's video, you will learn how to add text in Capcut PC. Start by working inside your current project, then move to the top left section and select the text option. This will open up the text panel where you can access different styles and tools. From here, choose the option to add text. You may notice presets are selected by default, and some of these may require signing in to use. To keep things simple and flexible, switch to the basic category and choose a standard text style. Once you select a basic text option, add it into your timeline. You will now see a text layer appear along with your video clip. This layer controls when your text appears and how long it stays visible. You can adjust this by clicking and dragging the edges of the text layer to match the exact timing you want in your video. This is especially useful for syncing text with specific moments or dialogue. With the text layer selected, move over to the editing panel on the top right. Make sure the basic settings are active, then start by typing the text you want to display. From here, you can customize nearly every aspect of how your text looks. You can choose different fonts to match the style of your video, adjust the size to make it more readable, and apply formatting like bold, italics, or underline. You also have control over the color, spacing, and positioning of your text. These options help ensure that your text stands out clearly against your background. You can even add a stroke or outline to improve visibility, especially if your video has a busy or bright background. If you prefer a quicker styling option, you can explore templates, which apply a complete design instantly. To make your text more dynamic, head over to the animation section. Here, you can choose how your text enters and exits the screen, adding smooth transitions that make your video feel more polished. Finally, you can click directly on the text in the preview window and drag it to position it exactly where you want. This gives you precise control over placement and helps you align your text perfectly with your visuals. And that is how you add and customize text in Capcut PC.